Yes, how to connect to any Wi-Fi without using any password. You can also buy new method in my YouTube partnership program, okay? Remember to subscribe to my channel because if you don't subscribe, this method won't work for you, okay? So the first step, you go to settings, click on the settings app, then open the Wi-Fi icon, click on Wi-Fi. And then here, click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect. As for me, I'm going to click the Belkin 5.18. Just click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect and click here for advanced option. If you have other advanced option, just click on advanced option. And then here, I'm going to want you to follow these steps carefully, okay? In proxy, click on the proxy options here. Click on the proxy. Then click manual, okay? Click on the manual option here. And then after that, you have to go to host name. And in host name, you're going to input these words carefully, okay? In host name, you're going to click proxy.com, okay? Put the word proxy.com, okay? Proxy.com there. And then in proxy port, in port here, click 8080, okay? Then in IP settings, click static, okay? In IP settings, click static here. Click on statics option. Then in IP address, I'm going to want you to click 192.168.1.18, okay? And then in router, I'm going to want you to click the same code you put there, 192.168.1.18, okay? And then in prefix length, click 24. In DNS-A1 here, you're going to click 8.8.8, okay? In DNS2, you're going to click 8.8.4.4, okay? And then here, you can just click connect. As for me, I'm going to click this join this network, click connect, and boom, here your Wi-Fi is connected without using any Wi-Fi password.